Hello everybody, and we're back for round 2, and we have fixed a couple of things. You might be able to notice all the lights are on, like back here. The music's off. So, yeah, round 2, and ready. Fire! Alright, I tried a trick shot him. Oh shoot, that was horrible. Alright, so. I hate it when he does this, guys. I keep forgetting I'm wearing a camera on my head. Oh, jeez. It's stressful. Sorry about the silence for a while. Disagree. Oh my gosh. He shot me like 3 times as much as I had ammo. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can't feel my tongue. Ooh, I can't feel my nose. That was like half headshots, Dad. Alright. I hope I can do this. At least hit him. Sucker!
Take cover. You put your right foot in, you put your right foot out, you put your right foot in, and you shake it up. Ow!
You got cocky.
I was doing the whole thing, you shot me. You put your left leg in, you put your left leg out, put your gun in, and you shoot him all about. You shoot him.
Oh, jeez. Horrible lyrics, Dad.
Got you.
Oh, so? That's the 5th shot to the head. I'm over. I think you just shot the GoPro, Dad. Whew, okay. You know what, Dad? I'm gonna shoot you. Whoa. Oh, I'm out too. Jeez. Alright, you obviously won that. Sadly.
That's 2 in a row.
Enough. Sorry about that, guys. I'm just not doing so good because I have a camera on my head.
It's because I'm accurate.
I'm not. You're not accurate.
I'm accurate.
You're horrible.
Who won 2 in a row?
You. Cause.
It's not so horrible anymore. You've got red ones everywhere.
So do you.
I don't have any red ones.
You have a red one. He just forgets so much, guys. So much. It's very disappointing sometimes. Yeah, he forgets a ton. You know, Dad, you want to give any tips to the viewers? Oh.
I was gonna give a tip, but I forgot.
Hopefully, he was gonna give that tip to me. You know what I'm saying? Oh, geez. Oh, cleanups are the worst. Bullets scattered around everywhere. And when we say bullets, we don't mean actual bullets. We mean these little rubber balls that our rivals shoot. This is my rival right here. It's red.
You got a red one behind.
Called the Artemis, I do. Alright, well then. Good for me. This is his. His is called what? The Phantom?
Yes.
Oh, I see that.
Well, I got it. Well, you have two.
Alright. Let's see. I have red bullets everywhere, guys. Let's see. I'm going to save you the despair of watching me and my dad find my bullets. So, I guess we'll see you in round 2.
Hit the like button.
Yes, like, this man is a very smart person. You should listen to him. Hit the like button. What else, Dad?
And you won't get hurt.
Oh, we don't threaten our viewers.
Hit the like button and nobody gets hurt.
Still threatening you guys. I'm sorry about him. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and see you in round 2. Hopefully I can convince my dad to get the camera this time. Hopefully, I don't think he will. But, see you in round 2, guys. Peace.
Round 3.
Wait. He's right, guys. It's round 3, not round 2. See you in round 3. If my dad wins this one, he wins the whole game, and the next round is just for fun. So, see you in round 3, guys. Bye-bye.